Ciao friends! Are you familiar with DAX already? If the answer is yes, then join me in Wrocław on the 12th of May because I will be delivering at SQL Day Advanced DAX training. That is not a training for newbies. I expect you to already know the row context, the filter context, the context transition, and the basic concepts about DAX. But if you want to really go to the next level, then there are a lot of small details that you need to understand. So I will spend an entire day talking about what I call the DAX shenanigans, behaviors that makes perfect sense if you know them, but they will drive you crazy unless you understand all those tiny details. Because at the end, this is the difference between a newbie and a master of DAX. Newbies, they just copy code from the web, paste it in their semantic model, then cross the fingers and hope for the best. A DAX master knows exactly how to fix a problem. So if the code that might be copied from the web doesn't work, they know exactly how to fix it and calculate where it is needed, invoke the context transition, fix data lineage problem, and do all the topics, all the tasks that are required to build sound formulas. So join me and sign the date, 12th of May, Wrocław. Besides, the Centennial Hall is awesome, so it's definitely worth a visit. I hope to see you there.